Good morning. Welcome to a short and fiery golden hour class. So we have a nice and warming vinyasa to start the day together here with the chickens at the cabin. So it'll be hopefully nice and cozy. We'll start with a seated position, closing the eyes, taking a few deep breaths. Feeling your hands on your knees, sitting tall through your spine. Slowly blinking open the eyes. We'll start with our Sufi circles, coming over the hips with your torso. And then we'll go the other way, releasing the head. And then coming to all fours. Cat-cow, dropping your belly down, looking up. Inhale. Exhale, rounding through the spine. Inhale, looking up. Exhale to round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, sending your right hand high. And exhale, threading the needle. We'll do this 3 times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread. Inhale. And exhale. Staying here, wrapping your right hand, or your left hand behind your back, opening through the chest. And then pushing yourself back up. Inhale. Exhale, releasing your palm. Inhale, left hand sweeps. Exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, lift. Exhale, thread. Inhale. And exhale. Right hand reaches, half bind. And then unraveling from the pose, pressing through your right palm, opening your left palm. Both hands now grounded on the mat. A few more cat-cows. If you want to make them a bit bigger, maybe some circles through the hips, releasing the head. And then going the other way. Coming back to a neutral spine, tucking your toes, pushing back into downward facing dog. Pedaling out 1 foot at a time, bending through your knees. It's always nice in this first one, taking a big generous bend in the knees, pushing your hips back, and then slowly releasing your heels down. Looking to the front of the mat, taking small steps all the way to the front. Releasing down, forward fold. Ragdoll, releasing, holding onto opposite elbows. Releasing your hands down. And inhale, rolling all the way up to standing. Hands sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center, releasing Tadasana. Inhale, hands sweep. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, planting your hands, stepping back and lowering down Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And looking to the front of the mat, stepping forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to stand. Exhale, hands release. We'll go again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, stepping back, lowering down Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, pulling back, downward facing dog. Looking to the front of the mat, stepping forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise. Exhale, hands to heart center. This time, feet together, bending through the knees, Utkatasana chair pose. Sitting nice and deep, spreading through the collarbones, reaching through the fingers. Hands to heart center, inhale. Exhale, twisting over your right knee. Looking down at your right foot, big step back with your left foot, engaging through the core, high lunge twist. Pressing through the back heel, hands can stay as they are, or we're flying open the arms, maybe reaching our right hand overhead. Hands back to heart center, inhale, and then opening up into high lunge. Bracing your core, exhale, bending deeply, cactusing the arms. Inhale, straightening your front leg, reaching tall. Exhale, bend arms and knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. And exhale, just bending the knee this time, opening up warrior two. Forearm to thigh, up and over, extended side angle. Maybe hand comes to the floor. Both hands release, opening up into a twist. Coming up on the outer edge of your back foot, stepping back, Vashisthasana, side plank. Maybe lifting the top leg. Hips are high, inhale. Exhale. Both hands to the mat, lowering down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, pulling back, downward facing dog. Looking to the front of your mat, inhale. Jumping, floating to the front. Inhale, head and heart lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, bending through the knees, Utkatasana, chair pose. Staying here. Hands to heart center, inhale. Exhale, twisting this time to the left. Getting light on your right foot, weight transfers to your left. Big step back, high lunge twist. Maybe we're flying the arms. Maybe left hand comes overhead, pushing back through your back heel. Then both hands back to heart center, bracing your core as you unravel into high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, bending deeply through the knees. Inhale, lengthening, extending the front leg. Exhale, cactus arms, bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale, hands stay up, bending your front knee, opening up warrior two. Up and over, extended side angle. Releasing your bottom hand, maybe. And then both hands to the floor, opening up into a twist. Coming up on the outer edge of the back foot. And we're stepping back with control. Vashisthasana, side plank. Lifting the top leg as an option. And then both hands release. Lowering down, vinyasa. Inhale. Exhale, pulling back. Downward facing dog. Dropping your knees to the mat. Coming to sit back on your heels. One hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Releasing your bottom to the floor, extending your legs long. Dandasana, seated staff pose. Inhale, reach. And exhale, folding forward. Paschimottanasana. Softening your face, releasing tension from forehead, third eye, jaw. Inhale, climbing back up. And then from here, we'll lower down all the way to the mat. Knees into chest. Finding happy baby.
Bending your knees, catching the outsides of your feet, drawing your knees down. Soles of the feet together, Supta Baddha Konasana. Maybe we're holding opposite elbows overhead. And then releasing into Shavasana, corpse pose. Moving fingers and toes. Setting your hands overhead, give yourself a stretch. And then knees into chest. When you feel ready, gently pushing yourself back up. Coming to easy seat as we started. Some very loud chickens over there. Shoulders back and down. Feeling any shifts in the body. Hands to heart center. Inhale. Deep breath, exhale. One more like that. The deepest breath you've taken this morning. Inhaling. When you're ready, exhaling. Bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me here on the mat for this short below. Hope you're feeling nice and awake, ready for the day. If you enjoyed this class and you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you again another morning soon. Have a great